Hello students, in this class we will learn how to convert decimal number into its binary equivalent. Decimal to binary number conversion. What is decimal number? The number with base 10. And what is the binary number? The number with base 2. Decimal number will contain the numbers from 0 to 9 and binary number will contain only two digits 0 and 1. To explain this method, we will take one example. For example, suppose number 75 is a decimal number and we have to convert this into binary. Actual method of conversion is we have to divide this decimal number by 2 continuously or repeatedly until coefficient is equal to 0. For that, make 3 columns. Take that number here. Divide this number by 2. 75 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 40. Remainder is 1. This is the remainder. Whatever remainder will be there, that you have to write here. Again, divide the number by 2. Remainder is 1. Again, by 2. Remainder is 0. Divide number by 2. Remainder is 1. Number by 2. Remainder is 0. Now, coefficient is 1. We have to divide the number by 2, which is not possible. Therefore, 2 zeros are 0 and remainder is 1. This is our repetitive division of number by 2 till you will get coefficient is equal to 0. Now, these are the remainders. These remainders, if you see, are either 0 or 1 and these numbers will form binary equivalent. How it will form? From down to up. In this order, we have to write the number, which is the first 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the binary equivalent of 75. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. This is the actual method for converting decimal to binary. Up to what if we have to divide the number by 2? Here coefficient is equal to 0. Wherever you will get coefficient is equal to 0, we have to stop the division and write binary number from down to up. One more example we will take. Number 142. This is decimal number and we have to convert this into binary. 142 divide by 2 and write remainder here. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 and 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Here we have got coefficient is equal to 0. Here we have to stop dividing the number. And these numbers, these remainders will form the binary number. Then how will be the binary number? 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. This is binary equivalent of 142. And one more example we will take. Last example. 897. Decimal number to binary equivalent. 897 divided by 2. Again divide by 2. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. And remainder is 1. Coefficient is 0. How will be the number? 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is the binary equivalent of number 897. This is a method for converting decimal number to its binary equivalent. Now we will see how to convert decimal number to its octal equivalent. What is octal number? Octal number is a number with base 8. In octal number systems, numbers will be from 0 to 7. Total 8 numbers will be there. It is same like conversion of decimal to binary. In decimal to binary, we were dividing the number by 2. And in octal, from conversion from decimal to octal, we will divide number by 8. Example we will take. First example, 248. This is the decimal number and we have to convert this into octal. Same procedure. Take down that number 248 and divide that number by 8. And write here remainders. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 7. Remainder is 3. We cannot divide number 3 by 8. Therefore, 8 zeros are 0 and remainder is 3. Here we have got answer 0. Here we have to stop. We have to stop dividing the number by 8. And number will be 370. This is the octal equivalent of number 248. This is the method for conversion from decimal to octal. One more example we will take. Second example. This is decimal number and we have to convert it into binary. Take down that number and divide that number by 8 repeatedly until we will get the answer 0. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 0. 8 zeros are 0. Remainder is 5. Number will form from down to up. Therefore, number is 501. This is the octal equivalent of 321. One more example we will take. Third example, 731. Decimal number, we have to convert it into octal. Take down that number, divide that number by 8 and write here remainder. We have to repeat the procedure until we will get the answer 0. Here we have got answer 0. Therefore, octal equivalent is 1333. This is the octal equivalent of decimal number 731. And last example we will take. (647). This is the decimal number and we have to convert it into octal. Take down that number 647. Divide number by 8. Write here remainder. Remainder is 7. Again repeat the procedure. Remainder is 0. Repeat the procedure. Remainder is 2. 8 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Here we have got answer 0. Therefore we will stop here and number will be 1207. This is octal equivalent of decimal number 647. This is the method for conversion of decimal to octal. Now we will see how to convert number from decimal to hexa. Again procedure is same. In conversion of decimal to binary, we had divided the number by 2. In octal, we have divided the number by 8. Same procedure will be here. Only the difference is we will divide number by 16. For example, we will take number 2482. This is the hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into decimal number. We have to convert it into hexadecimal. Take down that number 2482. Divide number by 16 and write here remainder. If you divide number, we will get answer 155 and remainder is 2. This is not 0. We have to repeat the procedure until we will get here 0. Therefore, again repeat the procedure. 16 9s are 144. Therefore, here again answer will be 9. Remainder is 11. Repeat the procedure. 16. We cannot divide 9 by 16. Therefore, 16 zeros are 0. Remainder is 9. Our answer is 9, 11, 2 in hexadecimal. But what is hexadecimal number system? Hexadecimal number system is the number system or the number with base 16, and in this number system we can have numbers from 0 to 15. Only the difference is from 9, after 9 from 10. In hexadecimal number system we have alphabets. In hexadecimal number system 10 is represented by A, 11 is represented by B, 12 is represented by C, 13 is represented by D, 14 is represented by E and 15 is represented by F. Now what answer we have got? 9, 11, 2. Here 11 means B. Therefore, actual answer is 9B2 in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal equivalent of 2482 is 9B2. This is the method for converting number from decimal to hexa. One more example we will take. One 374. Decimal number and we have to convert it into hexa. Divide the number by 16 and write here remainder. If you divide that number, we will get here answer 85 and remainder is 40. This is non-zero. Again divide the number 16. 5s are 80. Remainder is 5. We cannot divide 5 by 16. Therefore, 16 zeros are 0 and remainder is 5. Answer is 5, 5, 40. Therefore, hexadecimal equivalent is 5, 5, 14 and 14 is represented by E. Therefore, actual answer is 5, 5, E. in hexadecimal number system. And one more last example we will take. 1709, decimal number to its hexadecimal equivalent. Take down that number 1709. Divide that number. Write here remainder. If you divide this number, we will get answer 106 and remainder is 30. This is non-zero. Therefore, again divide the number. If you divide 106 by 16, 16 6 are 96. Therefore, here answer will be 6 and remainder is 10. We cannot divide 6 by 16. Therefore, 16 zeros are 0. Remainder is 6. Therefore, answer is 6, 10, 13. But in hexadecimal number system, 10 is represented by A and E is represented by D. 6AD. This is the hexadecimal equivalent of 1709. This is the method for converting decimal number to its hexadecimal equivalent.